To fix if Instagram Messenger update is not showing. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Instagram app, and then if I go to my home page, as you can see, I do not have the Messenger update. So let's fix that. Let's go back, and then from here we have to go to our Google Play or App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram, click on the app, and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated. So this is very important. If it wasn't updated, then instead of the open button, you should have an update button. So if you have that, go ahead and click on that. And after that, I think you are ready to go. So if your app is already fully updated, then you can go to your settings, to your phone settings. And here you have to search for apps. Click on that. And here you have to search for your Instagram app. You can either scroll down until you find it, or you can just type here Instagram. Click on the app and then scroll down and click on storage. So here you have to clear the data and the cache. So in this way your Instagram app will be restarted. So now let's go to our Instagram app again. Go to your profile, and then here go to those three lines from the right top corner. So from here you have to go to security, and then go to data and history and click on access data. And then at the bottom, at date upgraded to cross app messages, as here as you can see, your account doesn't have any information to show here. So if it doesn't say that to you, and if you have a date right here, well, that date is the date that your Instagram has been updated. So after this, if you still don't have your update, then you can go to help and report this problem to Instagram. So you can go right here to help and then report a problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.